Welcome to this tutorial on using the Schedules and Service Requests features in your Engage dashboard. In this guide, we'll show you how to sync your calendar, set up meetings, and handle service requests efficiently. To begin, go to the Integration section and select Connect Calendar. Link your account to sync your calendar. Once connected, you'll see confirmation that your account is linked. Next, head to the Management section and click on Schedules. Here, you'll find Calendar and Meetings subsections. Now, go to your bot and open the bot flow. Update the User Input node for scheduling meetings. Then, configure the Meeting Schedule node with details like the subject and type of meeting. Test your bot by engaging in a conversation with it. During the chat, schedule a meeting, ensuring you provide the reason and select a suitable time. Your meeting request will then be scheduled. Return to the Management section and navigate to Schedules, then Calendar, to view your scheduled meeting. You can also update the event details here. Under Schedules, go to Meetings to see all scheduled meetings. From here, you can edit the meeting status and join the meeting. Next, go to the Service Requests section. Update the User Input node in the bot flow with the relevant keywords. Then, configure the Create Service Request node with the necessary information. Test your bot by having a conversation and creating a service request. Your ticket will be generated during this interaction. Return to the Service Requests section where you can resolve and close tickets. You'll also receive an email notification confirming that the ticket has been resolved. And that's it. You've learned how to sync your calendar, schedule meetings, and manage service requests in your Engage dashboard. By using these features, you can improve productivity and streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling and servicing.